Fishfinley is presenting here the 10 best throwing knives. Our experts have ranked different products so you can get quick information and make a good choice. Let's get started with the lists. Of analysis number 10. Avias Knife Supply. An excellent knife set to purchase for the beginner knife thrower looking to pick up on this latest trending sport. Avias Knife Supply 9-inch 6-piece throwing knives come at a fantastic value for your money without sacrificing quality. The weight distribution is very well balanced while maintaining a light carry. Year in the top analysis number 9. Perfect Point TK114-3. Perfectly ideal for long-distance throwing, Perfect Point STK-144-3 throwing knives are great for the expert knife thrower due to the distance and speed required to land them. The nylon sheath holds well and is perfect for everyday carry or to strap to your side while chucking blades at pizza boxes in the backyard. Of analysis number 8. Avias Knife Supply. Featuring a set of 3 knives that are super sharp on both sides and extremely lightweight, Avias Knife Supply throwing knives includes a nylon sheath with a Velcro enclosure and belt loop for easy carry and accessibility. At a lighter weight of 3 ounces each, the handles feature several large holes in the middle to create an aerodynamic balance when throwing. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfinley.com. Search best throwing knives or simply click below the video description link. Fishfinley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Coming number 7 analysis. United Cutlery GH2033 Gill Hibben. A large and sturdy knife that offers a fun and well-balanced throw. The GH2033 Hibben throwing knife by United Cutlery is lean, aerodynamic and lightning fast when thrown. Safety and durability tested under tough conditions. You know the quality of the blade before it even arrives. The handle is ergonomic and comfortable. At number 6. Perfect Point PP0283BK. Throwing knife by Perfect Point is an excellent starting point for any beginner user while still offering a credible product to expert throwers. Small in length and created from a lightweight stainless steel, the blade features a sharp and long point that is ideal for spin throwing. The handles are cord wrapped for a comfortable grip and in order to create a balanced knife. Year in the top analysis number 5. United Cutlery UC2772 Expendables Kunai. For a very thin and uniquely designed throwing knife, check out the UC2772 Expendables Kunai throwing knife by United Cutlery. Coming in a set of 3 and featuring a versatile nylon sheath with leg strap and belt loop, these knives feature a cord-wrapped handle with a large loop at the end. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfinley.com. Search best throwing knives or simply click below the video description link. Fishfinley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Of analysis number 4. Cold Steel 973380P GTK Tanto. The ideal tactical knife that can do anything from cutting and chopping to throwing for sport, the 973380P GTK Tanto throwing knife by Cold Steel is an excellent addition to any knife enthusiast's collection. The GI Tanto point blade is a typical tactical knife style, as it can do any practical slicing and carving. Look analysis number 3. Smith & Wesson SWK8CP throwing knife. Created from durable 2CR13 stainless steel, the SWK8CP throwing knife from Smith & Wesson comes in a set of 6 and can be easily transported with the included black nylon belt sheath. The dual-edged spear points create the perfect stick to any target or tree. Coming number 2 analysis. SOG F041TN throwing knife. A perfectly versatile knife for both throwing or general everyday use, the F041TN throwing knife set by SOG features a set of 3 jet black 420 stainless steel blades with reinforced nylon handles wrapped in paracord for an easy grip and increased comfort. At number 1. Perfect Point Pack 71212. Ideal for straight throwing and a no-spin style, blade does not flip mid-air when throwing it. It is worthwhile to check out the Pack 712-12 throwing knives by Perfect Point. Coming in a set of 12 pieces, the 6 silver and 6 black stainless steel knives are offered at a competitive price for such a large set. Thanks for watching. Hope you like our video. Please like this and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. For more information about this video and products, please follow the links below in the video description.